Let me ask you something. What if I told you there's a luxury SUV out there that can float like a boat, turn like a tank, and launch like a rocket, all while sipping electricity and wearing a badge from a company once known only for affordable EVs? Sounds like sci-fi, right? Well, welcome to the 2026 BYD Yangwang U8, China's answer to the G-Wagon, the Defender, and maybe even the Batmobile. And no, I'm not exaggerating. This is not just another electric SUV. This is BYD throwing down the gauntlet, showing the world that luxury, power, and cutting-edge tech can come from where you least expect it. Let's dive in. At first glance, the Yangwang U8 doesn't just whisper premium. It screams at massive, square shoulders, a bold, almost militaristic stance. That huge illuminated grille looks like it's straight out of a Marvel movie. It's part spaceship, part armored truck. And here's the kicker. It's 5.3 meters long. That's longer than a Land Rover Defender 110. This thing has road presence you can't ignore. It doesn't drive by, it arrives. But it's not all brawn. Look closer, and you'll see sleek LED lighting that flows around the body, flush door, handles, and a design language that blends elegance with intimidation. It's like James Bond in a bulletproof vest. Now, hold on to your seat, because under this stylish armor lies a beast. We're talking 4 electric motors, 1 for each wheel, and together, they pump out a staggering 200 horsepower. Let that sink in. That's more power than a Lamborghini Aventador. In a full-sized SUV 0 to 60, around 3 seconds, in something that weighs over 3 tons. It shouldn't be possible, but BYD made it happen. And thanks to their Yangwang quad motor system, the U8 can perform something almost magical. It can do a tank turn. Yep, it can spin 360 degrees in place like a tank. Parallel parking? You could moonwalk into a spot. Oh, and did I mention, it can float? Literally. In emergency situations, the U8 can keep moving in water. Not for fun river cruises, but if you're caught in a flood, it might just save your life. Inside, it's not just luxury. It's smart luxury. You're greeted by a massive 12.8-inch curved OLED display, floating above a dash wrapped in premium leather and ambient lighting that adjusts to your mood. But that's just the start. You get a floating infotainment system that runs on BYD's advanced DI-Link platform, plus an intelligent AI co-pilot that responds to natural speech. Need the air turned down? Just ask. Curious about the scenery outside? The car might tell you more than you bargained for. And then, there's the drone pad. Yes, some versions of the U8 are rumored to come with a drone companion. You can launch it from the SUV, scout ahead, or just flex on Instagram. Because why not? BYD isn't just going big, they're going smart. The U8 packs LiDAR sensors, radar arrays, and camera systems for near-autonomous capabilities. Think Level 3 autonomy with highway assist, adaptive cruise, lane changing. It's like having a second brain that's always alert. It also boasts cell-to-body battery tech, meaning the battery is part of the vehicle's structure, stronger, safer, and more efficient. Oh, and range? Around 700 kilometers on a full charge. 100. That's enough to go from LA to Vegas and back without anxiety. So, what is the 2026 BYD Yangwang U8 really? Is it a luxury SUV, a tech showcase, an off-road monster, a survival vehicle? Yes. It's all of that. It's BYD showing the world they're no longer just the affordable EV guys. They're here to play with the big dogs, and maybe even lead the pack. And you know what? The world better start paying attention, because the future of luxury might be spelled BYD. If this wild ride into the future blew your mind like it did mine, don't forget to smash that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and hey, if you're into badass vehicles and futuristic tech, go ahead and subscribe. We've got plenty more coming your way. Catch you in the next one.